Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the code that we use for controlling an LED through GSM and Arduino Uno. Let us first have a quick review of our project. When we send command on from my mobile, the LED turns on. And when we send command off from my mobile, the LED turns off. Here is our code. We are using software serial library for serial communication in between Arduino and GSM model. When we use this library, we can use any pin of Arduino as transmit-receive pin except pin number 13. Next, we write software serial myserial89. Here, pin 8 of Arduino acts as a receive pin. That means it can accept data sent by GSM model. That is why the TX pin of GSM is connected to pin 8 of Arduino. Similarly, pin 9 acts as TX pin and it transmits data to RX pin of GSM. Next, the LED is connected to pin number 7. Then we have declared a string named message to receive the data coming from mobile to GSM model. Then we define the baud rate for GSM and serial monitor followed by a delay of 100 microseconds. Now we have written myserial.println 80 plus cnmi equal 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. This line is very important. These lines allows the GSM model to receive the message as soon as someone sends a message to the model. Otherwise, the module will not receive the SMS. Then we introduce a delay of 1 second for stability of the program. We now define the LED as output in pin mode and LED is keeping off at the beginning of the code. Now we are reading the myserial port, that is pin number 8 and 9, whether the data is available or not. If data is available, then the data is extracted as a string format by readString function and keep the data in the string called message. Now we are checking the condition by using index of function whether the string has a substring called on. The index of function allows us to find out a substring from a given string. If the string has a required substring, the index of required returns positive value. If the substring on is there, then we turn on the LED by making LED pin high. And if the substring off is there, then we turn off the LED. So this is the simple overview of the code. We have not discussed all the lines one by one as those lines are common in every program. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe us for more videos. You can also buy electronics components and projects from our website dpvtechnology.com. Thank you.